poppy. Today let's learn more about different kinds of shapes. Part 1. The first shape on our list for the day is circle. Circle. An example of this is pizza. Do you like pizza? The next shape is triangle. Triangle. A musical triangle is an example of this shape. Then we have square. Square. This is a square-shaped gift box. Then we have rectangle. Rectangle. This window is rectangular in shape. The next shape is oval. Oval. An example of this is a rugby ball. The next on our list is star. Star. This is a star-shaped light. And the last shape on our list for the day is heart. Heart. This pair of heart-shaped glasses is a perfect example. Yay! And that brings us to the end of this lesson. Now you know how to identify so many different kinds of shapes. And for more such fun videos, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. You can find the links available in the description box below. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.